Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the S Pen Air Command menu to standard or a compact menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and we're going to tap on advanced features. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on S Pen. Then we go down and tap on menu style for Air Command. And in here, you can choose standard or compact. And that's it. If you choose standard, it will have some more information. Otherwise, you can select compact. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the settings screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.